Where are you going? What will you do? Hey, it's Megan, brings the world to you.
Hello everybody, it's Megan. I'm super excited today. I am checking into Port Orleans French Quarter for the weekend. We'll be hanging out here, just checking out the resort, all that fun stuff. I'm here with my friend April. And so yeah, she may make an appearance or two in the vlog. But yeah, we're gonna go check in right now. We're a little bit early, so maybe they'll let us in a little early.
One of my very favorite hotels is this one.
Oh, it's pretty. So we're gonna check in to see what they say. So check-in is normally at 3 o'clock. We got here at 2 and we're able to check in early. So now we're about to get our stuff and head over to our room. It's actually not too terribly far away from where we check in at. That bus is. Just got into our room. Did the Walt Disney World channel was already on the TV. So I'll show you around. So when you walk in, there's 2 chairs and a table, our stuff already on it. A little Keurig machine. Were you gonna say something? Yep. Drawers. And I think there's a mini fridge in here. Yay! Yep. So I actually brought some soda. Oh, look, and you can put sodas in there and it will stick out. So that's cool. I brought some soda so we weren't paying the crazy prices for sodas here. And the Malibu rum. So the beds. I like the headboards. Those are cool. And USB plugs. It looks like we have a message already. Some artwork. It's up. Over here is a little bench that you could sit on to put your shoes on or whatnot. And a place to hang stuff at. Let me scoot by you. Cute little detail. Curtains that you could pull for privacy if you want. And not have to change in the bathroom. Hello. Little closet space, extra pillows. Oh, here's the safe. Decent size. And the bathroom. Here's the light. Little bench. H2O. That little thing could be pulled over there to hang your swimsuits. Nice shower head. So yeah, quite nice. We just noticed we actually have a ceiling fan too, so that's pretty phenomenal. We have a garden view from our hotel, but
That's where the movie and everything.
the movie and the fire.
Yeah.
What do they call it?
Where you can roast some marshmallows.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little obstructed though because there's a tree right in front of our room. Yeah. But you could definitely tell that there's a garden over there. I know I was right. So we're about to go down we're actually on our way down to the water taxi to go over to Disney Springs to get some lunch. So we decided to eat at Earl of Sandwich. Thank you. So luckily you don't need a reservation for here. It's a walk-up place. Well, I might need to try this. Frozen. Just to give you guys an idea, can you read it? It's kind of probably. So Earl of Sandwich does basically sandwiches and wraps and salads and the whatnot. So I got the Earl's Club sandwich, potato wedge. They have Earl Grey lemonade, so I got that, and it all was about $14 or so. So the sandwiches was really good, and we're about to go. And we're about to go to the pen trading, which is right there. So here you can just get a whole bunch of pens.
Sorry, am I in your way?
Down to the gift shop to check things out. All right, thank you. Thank you. Hi. These notebooks are cute. It makes it look like the old storybooks. Check out the pens. It's a small world. Yes. I found one. I totally found one. Oh, look at these magnets. Do I need magnets?
Those are pretty nice magnets.
But I don't know how much they are, so. They have a selection of Port Orleans stuff here, that's for sure. And these are Tervis tumblers, they're great cups. T-shirts. Let's see what else. How much are these? $23. So to the left of where you check in, you could go to Sasa Golda Floatworks Food and Factory, so you could get your food here in quick service, and also you could get beignets and whatnot. Yeah, I bet it's busy in here because of the rain. So there's some cool little things up there. Hello, it's me from the future, from the video. I just wanted to jump in really quick and say you could probably tell there's a bit of a jump between the last clip and this clip, the next clip. And I just wanted to say we went and kind of resort hopped a little bit after Disney Springs. So I decided to make that a different video. So if you would like to see that video, make sure you subscribe because it will come out shortly. So I just wanted to explain the jump. So thanks. It's still raining a little bit, not horrible, but still raining. Longer than like a normal Florida shower. That is for sure. But I think we are going to go off Disney property for dinner tonight. And so we're going to go out to the parking lot to go find something to eat. I also forgot to take my lanyard down to Jackson Square, the store, because I have pins that I could trade. Actually, now the rain's getting harder. I have pins that I could trade. And I forgot to take them down. So, you and me, can you see it? You and me hot pot. You and me revolving hot pot. It's like sushi. We're gonna give it a go. So we just got back to Port Orleans French Quarter. Dinner was okay. It was just, we went to like a Kenobi, I think is what it's called. It's a chain Mexican restaurant. It was decent. But I'm going to sign off now. One thing I will like to say though is we're in building 4, which is super close to the buses. Actually, you can come out right, this is our building right here. So you can come out right here and the buses are like right there. So like super close to the buses. If you're so interested in knowing how close you are to the Disney transportation. But yeah, it's a super small resort. So if you prefer a smaller resort and it's quiet, there's not been a lot of noise, definitely enjoying our stay here so far. The little bit of time that we've been here. But I'm going to sign off now, go take a shower, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.